After toasting the bread, he spread creamy peanut butter on top. She spread a generous amount of peanut butter on the bread.
Itch, itch. He scratched his hand to relieve the itch caused by the bug bite. The dry skin made her hand itch, so she applied moisturizer.
Feed, feed. She lovingly feeds her child with a spoonful of pureed food. The bird eagerly eats the seeds from her hand as she feeds it. Wink, wink. He winked at her to let her know he was joking. Peel, peel. She carefully peels the banana before taking a bite. Can you peel the banana for me? I find it a bit challenging. Chop, chop. She used a sharp knife to chop the vegetables into small pieces. She quickly chopped the onions for the stir fry. Shake, shake. He shook the bottle vigorously to mix the contents. Don't forget to shake the bottle before applying the product. Whip, whip. The cowboy gently whipped the horse to signal it to move faster. The horse galloped faster as the rider gave it a light whip.
Pinch. The boys playfully pinched each other's faces, giggling uncontrollably. Slap, slap. She slapped him across the face. Squeeze, squeeze. He tightly squeezed the ripe mango to check its juiciness.